In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT AI for beginners. Let's get started. First, I'm going to log into my account by clicking the Login button in the upper right corner. This opens up a window with several sign-in options. I'll select Continue with Google, which securely authenticates my account and brings me straight to the main chat interface. Before we start drafting a message, I want to make sure my preferences are tailored for the best results. I'll go down to the bottom left and click on my Profile Settings menu, and from the options that appear, I'll click on Settings. This opens up our configuration panel, where I will click on Personalization in the sidebar. Here, you can see options for managing your custom instructions. I'll click directly into the Custom Instructions text area. There's already some text here from a previous session, so I'll click inside, highlight the existing notes, and clear them out to start fresh. Now, I'll type in a brand new directive for how I want the AI to behave, instructing it to act as a helpful assistant, keep responses concise and practical, and use an encouraging tone. Once those customized rules are all set, I'll click the Save button at the bottom right of the pop-up to update my profile. A quick confirmation message appears at the top to let me know the custom instructions have been updated successfully. Now we're ready to create our first prompt. I'll click directly into the Ask Anything message bar at the bottom of the screen. I want to draft an email to my boss asking to work from home on Fridays, keeping the tone polite, stating that it will improve my focus, and mentioning that I'll be fully reachable. Once the entire prompt is typed out, I'll click the Send button on the right side of the field. ChatGPT immediately processes the request and drafts a clean, professional email structure complete with an appropriate subject line, greeting placeholders, and structured body paragraphs that include all the key points I requested. If the initial draft is a bit too formal, we can easily tweak it. I'll go back down to the input bar and type a follow-up request, asking the AI to rewrite the email so it sounds more friendly and casual, fitting for a boss with whom I already share a close working relationship. I'll hit the Send button again, and within seconds, ChatGPT delivers a much more relaxed and warm version of the email that still maintains a professional edge. You can see how easy it is to customize and refine your text until it sounds exactly the way you want it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.